Hi guys, welcome back. Welcome back with the second regular puzzle in today's newspaper of Wednesday, December the 13th, 2023. Yes, it's today, war day number 658. 658 days ago, the war started in Ukraine and everything has been changed in the world. Yeah. In this newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles. Half of those puzzles I will solve in the evening. But let me start with this one. This one is the regular jigsaw Sudoku number 7612. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 20 printed digits. Should be an easy one because the hard ones has always 8, 9 or 10 printed digits. This one has 20. So I think it's a 1 star or a 2 stars puzzle. For 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. For 1 star, faster than 50 minutes. We will see if this is a 1 star puzzle or a 2 stars puzzle. Alright, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. Single box, always a 1. Let me see here. Let me put the newspaper correctly. Okay. We have here a single box. Only one single box here. Always a 1. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? I see here a dual box contains the 1 and the 2. Here also 1 and the 2. Well, this box can be a 2. So the 2 should be here and the 1 goes there. Here, this box can be a 2. So that box should be a 2 and this box should be a 1. Do we have more dual boxes? No. Triple boxes then. Next question, do we have a triple box? I see here a triple box, there a triple box, and here a triple box. Contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, these 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left with 1 in this area should be there. So the 2 and the 3 are left. This box can be a 3, so the 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. And when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, the inside box is always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5, well, it can be 5 here, because we already have a 5 here in the same area. So this box should be a 4. Alright. Let me go to this triple box. These 2 boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. So the 2 and the 3 are left. Let me mark those. And the 4 is already filled in. Here, another triple box. This box can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there, and the other numbers could be everywhere. And the box near the middle box, the inside box is always 4 or a 5. Alright, next question, do we have here quadra boxes? Contains the 1, the 2, 3, and the 4. Let me see. No quadra boxes here. Well, then my next strategy, the following strategy, is to recognize some shapes, some figures, structures or constructions that you need to recognize. And the first one is this one. This shape here. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. So this box has the same name as that box. In this case, it's a 5 here. Alright. Do we have more of these kind of shapes in this puzzle? No. Oh, no. Here, another one, but rotated. This box has the same name as that box here. More? Let me check. No. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. So this box has the same name as that box. In this case, it's a 2 or a 3 here. Alright. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Here, another one, rotated. This box has the same name as that box. Here, another one. This box has the same name as that box. In this case, it's a 2 here. Alright. And that's all. That's all. We have here 3, 1, 2, 3. Then the following shape. How about this shape then? When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. So this box is the same name as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Here, another one, but mirrored. This box has the same name as that box. And here, another one, but rotated. This box has the same name as that box. And here, another one. Well, we have a lot of these kind of shapes. This box has the same name as that box. Okay. More? No. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3. 3 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 3 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is, why you need to recognize those shapes? Well, then, the following step. It's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3. Can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4. Let me mark those 1 and 4, 1 and 4. Alright, these 2 boxes can be a 5. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So the 1 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 5, 1 and 5. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4. 1 and 4, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 4 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 1. And then, let me see. Yeah. These 2 boxes can be 2. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So the 1 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So the other pair in this area should be the numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5. 3 and 5. Alright. And now. Well. These 2 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. This box can be 2, that box can be 2, and these 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. These 2 boxes can be 5, those 2 boxes can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be here. Then these 2 boxes surround the 4 can be a 4. So the only place left for the 4 in this area should be there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 4. This box is also connected with that box. Should be also a 4. Alright, so 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. 1 and 3, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 3 goes there. 1 and a 2, we have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 2 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 2, but also that box can be a 1 and this box can be a 1. So the 1 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. The other pair in this area should be the numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 1 goes there. Then I think this box should be a 4 because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4, and this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 4. Then let me see. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. We have a double 5 there. If I place a 5 here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those two boxes. So it should be a 4. Definitely. Alright. And now, 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 4 and the 5 on the 5. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 5 goes there. This box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 4. 1 and the 4, well, I cannot place the 1 there because we have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. So the 1 should be here and the 4 goes there. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 5. 3 and 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 3 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 3. And I've eliminated here the 1, so the 1 should be there. So 1 box left in this area for number 5. 3 and a 5, we have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 3 goes there. I think this box should be a 2 because it means 1 should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 3 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 3. And 1 box left in this area for number 2. Alright. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1. Should be a 2. Can be 3. Can be 4. Can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. So 2 numbers left in this triple box for the numbers 3 and 1. 3 and 1. Now we have a double 1 there. That means that this box cannot be a 1 anymore. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. So the 1 is supposed to be here and the 2 goes there. These two boxes can be 1. These two boxes can be 2. So the 1 and 2 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So the other pair in this area should be the numbers 3 and the 5. 3 and 5. Well, I cannot place the 3 here because we have a double 3 there. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those two boxes. So the 3 is supposed to be here and the 5 goes there. Alright. Then these two boxes can be 2. That box can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this cross area should be there. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2 and this box should be a 1. 1 and a 3. We have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 3 goes there. These two boxes can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this cross area should be there. So 2 numbers left, the 4 and the 5. Cannot fill this yet. Let me wait. 1 and a 4, we have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 4 goes there. 4 and a 5, we have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 5 goes there. 1 and a 5, we have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 5 goes there. A 2 and a 3, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 3 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 3. These two boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 5 goes there. These two boxes can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Should be there. And the final 2 numbers in this area for numbers 1 and the 2. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Wow. Faster than 50 minutes. Definitely a 1 star, not the 2 stars puzzle. So I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file. So you can make it also with myself. Thank you again for watching. See you in the evening with the other 4 puzzles in additional until then. Bye-bye for now.